Hey everyone, if you're shopping for a modern VPN alternative that actually works for remote teams, you've probably landed on Tailscale or Twingate. Both promise to kill your legacy VPN headaches, but they approach the problem very differently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your use case. Quick favor, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if this helps. Overview. Tailscale creates direct peer-to-peer connections between devices using the WireGuard protocol. Think of it as a mesh network where your laptop talks directly to your server without a middleman. Twingate focuses on securing Layer 4 traffic and uses a relay and connector architecture designed specifically for enterprise backend access. Tailscale's sweet spot? Developers, homelabs, and teams who want zero-config networking. Twingate is built for organizations that prioritize granular access controls over broad network connectivity, so IT teams managing hundreds of users across different resources. Architecture and setup. Tailscale requires installing a client on every device you want to connect. Laptops, servers, cloud VMs, everything gets the agent. Setup is literally minutes. Install, authenticate, done. Twingate requires client installations on user devices, but uses connectors to secure backend resources, so you're not installing agents on every server. It's more complex initially, but scales better in enterprise environments. Performance. Tailscale creates direct connections between devices, reducing latency since there's no central gateway choke point. In practice, it's extremely fast for peer-to-peer scenarios. Some users report Twingate offers speeds and performance slightly better than Tailscale for application-specific access, with vendor benchmarks claiming significantly faster performance than WireGuard, though take those numbers with a grain of salt. Access control. This is where they really diverge. Tailscale manages access control via a central JSON file, powerful but technical. You're writing ACL policies in code, which developers love but IT admins sometimes find cumbersome at scale. Twingate defaults to simpler access control management at the remote network level with a clean web interface. Twingate offers granular device checks and authentication permissions. You can enforce device posture requirements, like requiring specific OS versions or security software before granting access. Security philosophy. Tailscale uses WireGuard for automatic end-to-end encryption with minimal configuration. It's secure by default. Twingate enforces zero trust principles so users only access specific applications rather than the entire network. That's a huge deal for compliance-heavy industries. Twingate also hides resources completely. No public IPs, no scanning exposure. Pricing reality. Tailscale's free plan supports up to 3 users and 100 devices, with paid plans starting at $6 user month for the starter tier. Twingate's free starter plan allows up to 5 users and 10 remote networks, with the Teams plan at $5 user month. Both scale up quickly in cost for larger deployments, but Tailscale tends to be pricier for advanced features. Logging and visibility. Twingate provides detailed activity logs and charts on the default dashboard, which is excellent for compliance and troubleshooting. Tailscale offers a standard log, but it doesn't include many details. You'll need additional configuration for real-time streaming and detailed auditing. Bottom line, Tailscale is built with consumers and home labs in mind, while Twingate is focused on providing enterprise-ready capabilities. Choose Tailscale if you're a developer, small team, or running a home lab. You want something that works instantly with minimal fuss and you're comfortable with technical configuration. Choose Twingate if you're an IT admin managing a distributed workforce, need compliance features, want granular device posture checks, or require application-level access controls without exposing your entire network. Tailscale's mesh network design is simple and effective, but doesn't scale as well for large enterprises. Twingate was literally built for that scale problem. That's the real difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more no BS tech comparisons. Links to both platforms are in the description. See you in the next one.